As we saw earlier, Whitney has the ability to create and manage a design system from a style perspective with templates, styles, and all of the settings for the system itself. But because this is a component-based system, she also has the ability to create and manage those components. So what does this look like? When she's logged in, she has all of the components that are available to her here. If we take a look, we can see that there are a number of different types of components. Some of these are what we would call primitive components, like a layout, or something basic like a heading or a text. Some of these are more complex components, like a hero, which combines multiple elements together to create a more complex interface. You can organize these components by type and by role, and you can limit permissions and access to them through the permission system. Let's take a look at how it works to create and manage one of these components. To start with, let's take an existing component and let's go ahead and clone it. Because we have the ability to take an existing component and duplicate it and make modifications, this means that the more you grow your component design system, the faster and easier you are able to work. Here we can see in the first point the specific HTML elements that are being used. Here we can see the heading, the paragraph, and the actual link, as well as the image that's going to be put in place. This defines the HTML structure that's going to be output. We also have the ability to take a quick look and see how this is going to work once we have some dummy content put in place. Now, creating these components is just the first part. The other part is giving users the ability to customize them. Here we can see that Whitney also has the ability to create an entire interactive form that allows the user to put in all of the specific information that they need. She also has a full system for creating new fields and managing this form. In addition, Whitney's going to get a live preview of what the form is going to look like and how it's going to work. This means that she can be very clear on how the users are going to use this and ensure that the user experience is exactly what she wants. With shared styles and the ability to clone and modify these components, the designer here can easily expand the richness of the system with greater speed over time without losing governance or consistency. As you can see, even though Whitney's starting to create a new card component, all of the existing work that was done is something that she gets to inherit and reuse. Next, we'll take a look at how these components come together to allow the author to assemble content quickly and easily.